My name's Tyler Sassy. I'm the Director of Training here at Western Welding Academy. You know, Western Welding Academy, it's located in Gillette, Wyoming. Gillette's been a melting pot for many generations. It's a blue-collar town. It's a working man's town. People are super friendly. They're over the top. It's like a melting pot, you know. And we value freedom here all through the coronavirus pandemic. And it was just amazing to see our community come together and deal with these little things, you know, from time to time that come up. And it was just really spectacular to see all these just like really common sense people live here. We've got a tool room that's set up. It's got every little tiny part and piece, and welding hood and face shield and grinder, and you know, it's got stingers and whip leads and welding rod and grinding wheels and wire wheels, and it has every tool that you can imagine in the tool room. You can check items in and out of this tool room. You know, as a student, you come down there, you get your welding hood, you get your grinding wheels, you get your grinder, you get all your tools from the tool room. We've got a state-of-the-art coupon manufacturing cage here at our school. We manufacture and cut all the coupons for our students. Our coupon room, where we make all of our coupons, second to none. Puts on these super perfect, shiny, smooth bevels that are really easy to weld, which is really, really great when you're learning the fundamentals of the welding. We have a really, really good team of welders that have come from all walks of life, you know. They're really passionate about it. I've got a ton of experience that they share with our students day in, day out, and now they're giving back to this phenomenal industry. 90% of our students come from out of state. We've had students travel here from literally all four corners of the country. It's just really powerful when you see these people coming in from all across the country. It takes two to tango, and we want to tango with people that, I mean, slap out, want to weld. One of our lead instructors, he's in charge of student placement, works with contractors all over the country. He also, you know, helps prep these guys, help them build resumes and help them get their qualifications together. And our student placement program has been awesome. Every man-made product, from paper to rubber to wood, fabric and dyes, or steel or leather, or you know, every man-made product that we utilize and just take for granted every day, all that stuff comes through plants. You know, they use that high pressure pipe in the process of manufacturing. All that high pressure pipe has got to be welded by welders. You know, the pipe supports and the hangers and the structural steel, and you know, welders are critical people just to the health and economic, you know, delivery of this nation. Without welders, we really honestly don't even have much of an economy. Our mission is to train them to weld the structural steel and weld the pipe and the high pressure pipe and the exotics, and fill that labor shortage. If this country is ever going to get to a point where we can see manufacturing just blooming in our country again, we're going to do that with pipe welders.